It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I'm laughing because my dog is barking. Oh my gosh. And coincidentally, Avon is coming out with some new pet products that I can share with you in a couple weeks. But oh my goodness, I just thought it was kind of ironic that my dog is barking. But nice segue. So, how you guys been doing? I've got some fun news for you. So, Avon is doing one of those live events again. We had one for the lip products. It was a lot of fun. They give away a lot of prizes, and we just got news today. They were doing a live spring cleaning event on Tuesday, April 13th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. They're giving away up to $525 in giveaways, exclusive offers, and all you have to do is click the link to join. I just joined myself. I'm going to be there. I'm so excited. So I'm going to put my link below. Definitely register through my link. And all of this stuff is going to happen on April 13th. I'm actually excited. These live events are awesome. If you went to the last one, you'll know what I'm talking about. It was a lot of fun. So for those of you just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. All of my information is below, including the link to my online store. Shipping is always free on $60. If you sign up on my page, put your email address in, you're going to get my coupons, which lots of good coupons floating around out there. And then if you want to use a coupon, when you check out, if you go to offers, there's a little pink dot there. You'll see all the offers that are already loaded into your cart. Super easy to use. Also, oh my gosh, there's so much Avon news. This campaign is the last campaign that you can sign up for free. They're actually changing it around a little bit. I'll have news about that in about 2 weeks. But if you want to sign up for Avon for free right now, I will also put that link below. You can sign up for free until April 13th. I had to look at my calendar, which is the same day as the live cleaning event. How funny is that? So today, I still have to review the new Avon Intense perfumes, the Haiku, the new one, the Sacred, and Coyote Flower. I always say that wrong. I still have to do that one. So those are coming, but I've been wanting to talk about the Avon Botanicals for a while now. These are actually Elastine products. Line, the Elastine line, as the Propolythera that I use and love. Only a lot of people don't love the floral, and they don't want to spend that much on shampoo, which I get. So one product you might want to try are the Botanicals. They have a cherry blossom, they have a rosemary sea salt, and then they have an avocado and quinoa. Am I saying that right? I'm probably getting that wrong. So let me talk about these. So Cherry Blossom this is the conditioner, and it's for dry and damaged hair. It hydrates. This has a nice soft floral scent. Very pretty. So that is the Cherry Blossom. Let me read a little bit more about these. I gotta get this up on my screen, you guys. They do have hyaluronic acid in them for moisture, and let me see what else does it say about these. I gotta get this on my screen. Made with our exclusive revitalizing essence formulated with botanical extracts. They're free of silicone, paraben, sulfite, mineral oils, and I always get this wrong, trichlocarbon. So none of that in there. So that's kind of a neat thing. Then we have the rosemary and sea salt. This is a volumizing shampoo. So this one has a very strong like ocean scent. So if you like those ocean scents, you might want to try this one. But this one's really strong though. This is a volumizing shampoo. And then the avocado and quinoa. I can't believe I'm probably saying that wrong. This is an anti-frizz conditioner. I tried this once. It's really nice. I love the smell of avocado products. This one smells wonderful. Got a little sweetness to it. It smells amazing. So all three of them smell really good. The Cherry Blossom is definitely more floral. The rosemary and sea salt is strong. And then the avocado and quinoa is a little bit more of that avocado and like sweet scent. But there's 3 options. They all come in a shampoo conditioner combo. And right now, if you purchase $25 in hair products, you're going to get the free Elastine Propolythera Damage Repair Try It Size, a shampoo and conditioner little duo. So you might want to try that if you've been wanting to try those products before you buy. So anyway, don't forget about the live event. I'll put the link below. Definitely sign up for that. Hit the subscribe button. So excited about what's coming for Mother's Day. I got a whole Mother's Day bag over here. I got to do that. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.